Hello and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to look at prepositions. Prepositions just mean these small short words that tell you where something is. So a preposition is in, or on, or in front of, or behind, or under. All of these words. We're really just talking about where something is. So the first picture we can look at, we can see there's a dog. Where is the dog? Very simple. The dog is under the table. That's right, under. Just look at how we spell under. We look at that look at that later. This time, where's the man? Man is on top of the mountain. On top of. We can also say the man is on the mountain. But on top of is better, especially when it's very high. Man is on top of the mountain. Let's look at the next preposition. Where's the book? This is a short, simple one. The book is on the table. That's right. Just on. Let's look at the next picture. Oh, we have two here. So the thing in the middle, this blue thing here, is a curtain. So where's the girl? The girl is, as we can see in the picture, behind the curtain. The boy is in front of the curtain. Behind, in front of. Don't forget that when we use it in front of, we need the three words, in front of. So we've had under, on top of, on, behind, and in front of. What's next? Well, we can see it here, between. The ball is between the two trees. Between. And this one is beside. Now, one thing we have to talk about here is that we have another word that means the same as beside. Next to. Beside or next to. So this little animal we see in the picture is a chick. The baby chicken is a chick. So the chick is beside the egg, or used next to. The chick is next to the egg. So we can use beside, we can use next to, they're all the same. Let's do some practice. Where's the baby? So pause the video and see if you can make a sentence. And make a sentence. Use a preposition. Baby is under the table. That's it, exactly. Where's the elephant? It's in front of the chair. Remember, three words. In front of. Please don't forget the is as well. The elephant is. next one. What can we say about the cat and the dog? Let's start with the dog. The dog is under the table. The cat is on the table. The cat is on the table or on top of the table. The dog is under the table. Let's look at the next one. Where's the mouse? The mouse is on top of the cheese. On top of. Where's the ball? Ball is in front of. Yeah. In front of the box. And where's the man? What's the preposition we use here? Between the two houses. Between. Where is the boy, the little boy? What do we call this? What's the preposition? Behind. Behind the books. And where is the cat? Where's the yellow cat? Yellow cat is beside the grey cat. What's the other word we can use? What's the other word that means the same as beside? We can also say the yellow cat is next to the grey cat. Remember, beside and next to have the same meaning. Okay, let's do some practice. We want to use these prepositions to talk about this picture. So the picture, let's see, can we make a sentence with, under? Under. Oh, we can see here the ball. First thing is the ball. So what can we say about the ball? The ball is under the table. Let's make a sentence with beside or next to. Well, we have a number of possibilities. The cat is beside the chair. The vase is beside the lamp. The book is beside the lamp. The chair is beside the table. Remember, we can use next to as well. The lamp is next to the book. The chair is next to the table. On. Can you make a sentence with on? Again, we have a lot of options. You can say the book is on the table, the lamp is on the table, the vase is on the table, the clock is on the wall, the rug is on the floor. All of these are possible. In front of, let's make an in front of sentence. This is a little more difficult here. There's not really an in front of. We could maybe say the table is in front of the clock, perhaps. Between. Can you find any betweens here? Well, let's start with on the table. Is there anything between something here? See if you can make a sentence about the lamp, for example. We can start with the lamp is between the book and the vase. The table is between the chair and the armchair. They're the best ones, really. Okay, that's our video for today. This is all about prepositions. Please watch again if you need to, and thank you for watching.